is again very simple if we have a look to the pseudocode of it. So we are going to pass two parameters, the element to be found, and again a pointer to the root of the tree. So this represents the tree. If the tree pointer is not nil, and we haven't found the key yet, so the key to be found is not the actual key, then we check where to step down, to the left or to the right. If the element to be found is less than the actual key, then we have to step down to the left subtree. So the tree pointer is now updated with its left child's pointer or address. Otherwise, the right child's address will be assigned to the tree. And the tree pointer now points either to the left or to the right child. And that's how it goes. At the end, tree will, because that all parameters inside the body of this function works as local variables. So this updated, several times updated pointer will be returned